airplane versus building. This will now be a series. I'll do multiple of these videos. Here's the first one. A pretty good magnet block building. And this is what our plane will be. Well, we have multiple different planes, like jets, little mini bombers, rockets, tanks, a Spitfire, but I don't know what that is right now. But right now we're going to use this. I don't even think I made a dent. Let's try again. Boom. God, I need an airstrike. Strange. What's that sound? I'll just fire, crackle, people dying, body parts.